So, today's episode of Rana Asif is called How to Start a One-Person AI Business in Just 10 Minutes Using 10 AI Tools. Okay, so what if I told you that you could start a one-person AI business in just 10 minutes using free AI tools? Today, I'll show you exactly how, step by step. Let's do it. This video is brought to you by HubSpot's free AI website builder. They're giving away 1 million free websites built with AI. Now the kicker is, you can only get this if you sign up at the link below. The tool will build your website using AI based on whatever business idea you want. It also comes with the domain name. You don't even need to have any design or coding experience. You can do it all with AI. And if you want to see how it works, stick around until later in the video, because I'm going to show you how to use it to build a complete business. Alright, step number 1. Come up with a business idea. So when it comes to starting a business, there are two options. Option number 1 is to pick something you're passionate about. But the problem with that is, you might not be profitable because you're not thinking rationally. So option number 2 is to pick something purely for the money. Here's a framework you can use to come up with your business idea. And we're going to use ChatGPT to speed things along. Okay, I've typed out my prompt. I'm starting a one-person business. Ask me questions about my skills, then suggest 5 ideas. Alright, here are some questions it asks. What are you good at? Well, I'm great at social media marketing. I've managed over 20 accounts. What are your interests? I like fitness and nutrition. What problems have you solved for others? Well, I once helped a friend gain 20 pounds of muscle in 3 months. But wait, we don't want to stop there. We want to go deeper. So I'm going to use another tool called Google Gemini. This is basically Google Bard on steroids. Instead of just a paragraph, you can get 24 pages. So let's plug in our business idea. High-ticket AI marketing automation setup. Let's make sure document type is set to long form. Alright, let's click Generate Document. That took like 30 seconds. Look at that 24 pages of deep research on this business model. How crazy is that? By the way, if you're enjoying this video, hit that like button. If not, you're getting reported. Jokes aside, you should hit that like button because it really helps out. Alright, next up, we're going to use a tool called Notebook LM. Think of this as your own personal AI knowledge hub. So you can save all the research you find into here and organize it into different sections. So we'll export this entire document straight from Gemini to Notebook. Alright, now that we have our business idea validated, we have the research. It's time to move on to branding, and in particular the business name. So I've got a tool called Namelix lined up. Namelix uses AI to auto-generate business name ideas based on your industry and keywords. So in this case, we're going to enter marketing automation, and boom, it spits out 100 names on the spot. Let's take a look at the top ones. So we've got Market Tamer AI, Amplify AI, and Automate Me. Tough choices. But you know what? I think I'm going to go with Magic Marketer. Now that we have our business name, it's time to design our logo. So I've got a tool called Looka lined up. Looka uses AI to auto-design logos based on your input. So first you got to pick a style. Do you want something modern, minimal, vintage? Then you choose a color. Next, you describe your business, and voila, it designs 10 logos on the spot. Let's check them out. So we've got Magic Marketer AI with the lightning bolt. Their new AI builder lets you generate an entire website in just 30 seconds using AI. Here's how it works. First, you describe your business. So I'm going to type, Magic Marketer helps e-commerce brands scale with AI marketing automation. Next, I'm going to select the type of website I want. So in this case, I want a one-page site with product offerings. Now all I have to do is click Generate Site and watch the magic happen. Holy cow, it actually did it. It generated the entire website copy, the layout, the buttons, the images, everything. And here's where you can upload your logo. Let's upload ours. There it is. Now you can tweak the design, add your social links, your contact details, and more. Once you're happy with everything, you can click publish, and it's live. We just built this entire website in under 5 minutes. So the address is getmagicmarketer.com. Go check it out. Next up, let's automate our social media presence. So we're going to use an AI tool called Canva AI. The first thing you need to do is upload your logo to Canva. So let's drag and drop ours. Then we're going to create a new design. Let's go with post for LinkedIn. Canva has thousands of templates, so you don't have to start from scratch. Let's type in our prompt. Create an engaging post about AI marketing automation. Hit generate and boom. It spits out 5 different posts on the spot. I love this one. Stop wasting time on repetitive tasks. Let's save that to our computer. And we're going to use another AI tool called Flick. By the way, Flick is powered by Iris AI, which I recently invested in. So this tool allows you to auto-schedule your social posts across multiple platforms. You can schedule your Instagram feed posts, your Instagram stories, your LinkedIn posts, all with AI. First, we're going to connect our social profiles, and then we're going to upload our post. I want to post tomorrow morning. Then you write a caption. So I'm going to type something witty. Unless you automate your social media, then yes, you can. Last step is to click Schedule Post. So you tell ChatGPT to summarize your post, and then you hook it up to Zapier, and you can auto-post it to Twitter, Facebook, Tumblr, Reddit, anywhere. Now it's time to get your first client, and we're going to do that in 2 ways. The first method is cold outreach. Now, cold outreach can be very time-consuming, but luckily there's a tool that can help us out. It's called Apollo. Apollo. IO helps you find and connect with potential clients via email and LinkedIn. It's especially useful if you're targeting businesses. So first, you search for companies by industry. So in this case, we're going to type marketing agencies. Next, you can filter by size, location, and more. Let's go with medium-sized businesses in San Francisco. Now, Apollo finds hundreds of leads on the spot. You can view their company details, job titles, emails, and more. You can even see if they're already using your service. Now, the cool thing is, you can ask ChatGPT to auto-generate an email sequence. So here's an example. Subject line: scale your agency with AI marketing. First email: hi, name. I noticed you're a marketing agency. Then follow up: hi, name. Do you offer AI marketing services? Then the third email: hi, name. I'd love to help you scale. Now, before you send these emails, make sure you personalize them. Don't just blast them out with their name plugged in. You want to reference something specific about their business. Otherwise, they'll flag you as spam. The second way to get clients is through paid ads. So if cold outreach doesn't work, you can try running ads. And guess what? There's an AI way to do that too. The first thing you need to do is go to the Meta ad library and search for winning ad concepts. These are ads that are currently working for other businesses. You can browse by industry, target audience, ad format, and more. Next, you're going to copy one of these winning ad concepts and paste it into ChatGPT. Ask it to rewrite the ad copy using persuasive language. Then you can run this ad yourself with your own landing page and track the results. Now that you know how to start a one-person AI business in just 10 minutes, it's your turn. I challenge you to build your own business using the tools I shared today. Now, if you want to learn more about AI, I've got a free 7-day trial of my AI courses over at SkillLeap.com. We cover everything from ChatGPT to Midjourney. We've got 8 hours of on-demand video and lifetime access to our private community. Now, if you want to try HubSpot's free AI website builder, you can do that over at Ranasif.com free AI website. That's where you can get your free 1 million website. And remember, subscribe to my channel for more AI business hacks. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys soon.